This is the Minnesota Bureau of Investigation activating an Amber Alert for the state of Minnesota. A child has been abducted from the town of Brainerd and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Dante Mulhoff. He is a 1-year-old black infant weighing 12 pounds, with brown eyes. Last seen wearing only a diaper. Police are looking for Jerome Mulhoff, a 28-year-old black male, and Briella Mulhoff Bowden, a 29-year-old black female, possibly operating a black 2013 Ford Fusion bearing Minnesota license plate LDT261. The vehicle has no front bumper and no grille. Another possible vehicle is a tan 2003 Acura MDX with Minnesota license plate BCR984. If you have any information regarding the abduction, please call 911 immediately.